Hello, readers! It's Foundations time. Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo here. How are you? Good. Okay, let's start our warm up. CK sock. Repeat it loud and proud when Baby Echo looks at you. SH ship. Shh. Good job on these digraphs. TH thumb. CH chin. Ch. WH whistle. Very nice. And let's look at our standard cards. A apple ah. B bat b. E ed eh. I itch I. K k. O octopus ah. U up Y y. And let's sing our vowels today. Oh no. There we go. Sing with me. A apple a. E ed eh. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up Very nice job, my friends. We have a word of the day today. Are you ready to try to read the word of the day? Okay, here we go. I'm going to pull down some letters. And let's review how to tap and blend this word. Bring up your tapping hands, elbows up. M, ch, much. This word says much. Let's mark it. Does anyone see a digraph? How do we mark digraphs? That's right, we underline it to show that it's two letters but just one sound. Very nice. Can anyone use much in a sentence? Oh, I like you very much too. What kind of foods do you like very much? Oh, pizza, candy, strawberries, yes. Okay, so here's what our sentence is going to be. I like pizza very much. Watch how I write this sentence. Actually, you know what? I'm going to write it on this board. I start with an uppercase. I do a good finger space. Like. What does it start with? Oh. Good. Oh, I. It's an I. K. It's a K, and an E at the end makes that I say I. We'll learn that later this year. I like pizza. Pizza. That's a trick word. Very. That's a trick word too. And now for our word of the day. Much. I like pizza very much. Okay, since it's a word of the day, we need to enter it in our student notebooks. So why don't you go ahead and get a pencil and your student notebook, and we need to enter this in the vocabulary section. So it always says vocabulary at the top, and then we go until we find the letter M. Pause here if you need to go get your notebook or more time to find this. And then remember, on this first line here, we write our word of the day, which is much. So go ahead and copy that in. And when you finish, mark it up. Underline the digraph, the CH. It should look just like that, much. And then on these lines below, we're going to write our sentence. I like pizza very much. Take your time, pause here, and really take your time on your letters and make sure everything is spaced nicely and spelt correctly. And come back when you're all done entering your word of the day. Okay, friends, we're going to try reading some more words just like our word of the day much. Watch me as I build, and let's tap and read. If any of you out there don't need to tap it and you're sure you know the word, then that's great too. But a lot of us still need to tap and read. Here's our word. Let's figure it out. Shed. Shed. Do you have a shed in your yard? Good for you. Shed. Let me spell it away. S-H-E-D. Okay, this time I want you to tap and read it all on your own. What is this word? The word is chip. 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 How did you do? Who can think of a word that rhymes with chip? More, tell me more. Chip, dip, zip, nip, lip. Very good. I bet you had some others too. Let's read this one. Okay, tap and read it. What's the word? Mash. Mash. How'd you do? I want you to pretend that you're going to mash up some potatoes. Mash, mash, mash. What else could you mash? Oh, I heard somebody say smash. We would need to add another letter for smash. This one's just mash. Okay, what if I change the digraph? What if I take away the SH and change it to CK? What does it say now? It still starts the same, ma, but we have a different ending sound. What's the word? Mac. Very good. We have a Mrs. Mac as a STEAM teacher. But since it's someone's name, we would do an uppercase M if we were talking about Mrs. Mac. Okay, now what if I change that ending again? What if I put the TH at the end? We still know, what does MA say? Ma. What does TH say? What's the word? Good, the word is math. Do you love math? I do too. Here's a math problem. If I have two baby echoes and one flies away, how many are left? Yeah, just one. I would miss the other one. Okay, are you ready for a new trick word? So am I. Let me spell this away. M-A-T-H. And let's get ready for our trick word. I'm going to spin you over here, taking you for a ride. Whee! I hope you're not dizzy. Okay. And let's come a little bit closer. This is where we're going to do our trick word. All right. So here's our sentence, my friends. Repeat after me. The friends went to a party. Let's put up our sentence frames. We need to start with, what's this? An uppercase, so we use the tall frame. The space friends, always giving good spaces, went to a party. And then I need to put a period or some sort of punctuation at the end. The friends went to a party. Okay, watch me write this in. Capital T, the friends, it's got the word end in it. to a, I know that trick word, arty, party, period. The friends went to a party. Let me bring you a little closer. There we go. Okay, I'm going to circle a word here. Who thinks they can tell me what this word said? The friends went to a party. That's right. This word is to. I'm going to add the word to up here to my trick word list. To, T-O. And this kind of to means you're going to a place or you're going to do something. All right, let's change one part of this sentence. So that circled word to, I am going to change. And now let me read you what the sentence says. The friends went into the school. I changed a few words. I'll read it one more time. The friends went into the school. Who thinks they can read the circled word I have now? Very good. Into. Let me write down that word, into, on our list. Into. Let's look closely at our two new trick words. What do you notice? Very good. They both have to. Into has the word in at the beginning. What makes this one tricky? To. It starts with t, t, t. That's not tricky. Ooh. Normally we know O says ah. So that's tricky right now that it says ooh. To. It's not ta or toe. It's to. T-O. And what does this one say? Into. Is in tricky? No, we can tap that out. The T sounds normal too. It's this O again that's so tricky. All right, read them with me. To, into. Nice reading. Let's do some other words that we've learned so far this year. As, has, to, into, the, and. Very nice job. And now let's practice spelling and writing our new trick word, everybody. You know what this means? Stand up and get ready to skywrite. Arms are out. And let's write in red. Do you want to see red shooting out of your fingers? In the air, you should see the word to. Here we go. T-O. To. Okay, take your finger, find a spot. You can write it again. T-O. To. And you know what's next. You need to pause and get a pencil and your notebook and go the very back is where all the trick words are. Find that letter T and add it in. T-O. To. And now you can always use this notebook to help you. Pause if you need more time. Okay, welcome back. What's this word? Into. Let's skywrite it. Arms nice and straight, two fingers. I-N-T-O. Into. Now take one finger. I-N-T-O. Into. And last but not least, enter it in your notebook in the way back where the trick words are. Find the letter I. We've done is. Now you need to add into. I-N-T-O. Into. Pause and finish, and then you're done for today. Great job.